Are you feeling tired, achy, and just not yourself lately? It could be a sign of something you never even thought of, vitamin D deficiency. In this video, we're going to explore the 9 signs of vitamin D deficiency and what you can do about it. But first, let's talk about what vitamin D is and why it's so important for our bodies. Vitamin D is a fat-soluble vitamin that helps our bodies absorb calcium, which is crucial for strong bones and teeth. But that's not all. Vitamin D also plays a role in our immune system, muscle function, and even our mood. So, if you're not getting enough vitamin D, you could be putting yourself at risk for a whole host of health problems. From weakened bones to a compromised immune system, vitamin D deficiency is nothing to ignore. But don't worry, we've got you covered. Stick around to learn about the top 10 signs of vitamin D deficiency, and how you can make sure your body is getting the vitamin D it needs to stay healthy and happy. Number 1. Bone and back pain. Do you find yourself constantly reaching for painkillers to ease your bone and back pain? Well, it might be time to take a closer look at your vitamin D levels. That's right, low levels of this crucial nutrient can lead to bone and back pain that just won't go away. Here's why. Vitamin D helps your body absorb calcium, which is essential for strong bones. So when you're not getting enough vitamin D, your bones can become weak and brittle, leading to pain and discomfort. And it's not just your bones that suffer. Vitamin D also plays a role in muscle function, so low levels can lead to muscle weakness and pain. But here's the thing, many people don't even realize they're deficient in vitamin D. That's because it's not always easy to get enough of it from sunlight and food alone. That's why it's important to pay attention to the signs, like bone and back pain, and take steps to boost your vitamin D levels. So, if you're tired of living with bone and back pain, make sure you're getting enough vitamin D. Whether it's spending more time outside, adjusting your diet, or taking supplements, there are plenty of ways to give your body the nutrients it needs to feel its best. Don't let vitamin D deficiency hold you back. Take action today. Number 2. Fatigue and tiredness. If you're feeling tired and fatigued all the time, it could be a sign of vitamin D deficiency. Vitamin D helps your body convert food into energy, but when your levels are low, your body can't produce the energy it needs to keep you going. This can leave you feeling tired and drained, even if you're getting enough rest. So, if you're tired of feeling tired, it's worth checking your vitamin D levels and taking steps to boost them, like spending more time outside or adjusting your diet. Number 3. Hair loss. Low levels of vitamin D can lead to hair loss or thinning hair. This is because vitamin D stimulates hair follicles, and when levels are low, follicles can become inactive and stop producing hair. Additionally, low vitamin D levels can cause inflammation, which can also contribute to hair loss. So, if you're noticing more hair loss than usual, consider your vitamin D levels and take action to support healthy hair growth. Number 4. Muscle pain and weakness. If you're experiencing muscle pain and weakness, it could be a sign of vitamin D deficiency. Vitamin D plays an important role in muscle function, and when levels are low, it can lead to muscle pain and weakness. This is because vitamin D helps regulate the absorption of calcium, which is essential for muscle function. Without enough vitamin D, your muscles can become weak and more prone to pain and injury. If you're experiencing these symptoms, it's worth checking your vitamin D levels and taking steps to boost them. Number 5. Difficulty in wound healing. Vitamin D plays an important role in the body's immune response and helps regulate inflammation. When levels are low, it can lead to a weakened immune system and slower wound healing. This is because vitamin D helps promote the growth of new tissue and blood vessels, which are essential for healing. Without enough vitamin D, wounds can take longer to heal and be more prone to infection. Number 6. Depression and mood swings. Vitamin D plays an important role in regulating mood and brain function. When levels are low, it can lead to imbalances in neurotransmitters, which can contribute to depression and mood swings. In addition, vitamin D deficiency has been linked to an increased risk of developing depression. It's important to take note of these symptoms and consider checking your vitamin D levels to ensure you're getting enough of this essential nutrient. By ensuring you're getting enough vitamin D, You can support your mental health and promote a balanced mood. Number 7. Increased risk of infections. If you're experiencing an increased risk of infections, it could be a sign of vitamin D deficiency. Vitamin D plays a critical role in the immune system. When levels are low, it can lead to a weakened immune system, making you more susceptible to infections like colds, flu, and respiratory infections. This is because vitamin D is essential for the production of antimicrobial peptides, which help destroy viruses and bacteria that can cause infections. Without enough vitamin D, your immune system may not be able to produce enough of these peptides to protect you from infections. Number 8. Slow healing of bone fractures. If you've suffered a bone fracture and it seems to be taking longer than usual to heal, it could be a sign of vitamin D deficiency. Vitamin D plays a crucial role in bone health, helping the body absorb calcium and phosphorus, two essential minerals that are necessary for strong, healthy bones. When vitamin D levels are low, it can result in weak bones and slow bone healing, making it harder for fractures to heal properly. This is because vitamin D helps stimulate bone growth and promotes the production of new bone tissue. By ensuring you're getting enough vitamin D, you can help support your bone health and promote faster healing of fractures. Number 9. Low calcium levels in the blood. Low calcium levels in the blood can be a sign of vitamin D deficiency. Vitamin D plays a critical role in the body's ability to absorb calcium from the diet and maintain normal levels of calcium in the blood. Without enough vitamin D, the body may not be able to absorb enough calcium, which can lead to low levels in the blood. Low levels of calcium in the blood can cause a range of symptoms, including muscle weakness, fatigue, and tingling sensations in the fingers and toes. In severe cases, it can also lead to bone loss and increase the risk of fractures. By ensuring you're getting enough vitamin D, you can help support your body's ability to absorb calcium and maintain normal levels in the blood, promoting strong bones and overall good health. It is important to note that these symptoms can also be caused by other medical conditions, and a proper diagnosis can only be made by a medical professional. If you experience any of these symptoms, speak with your doctor and undergo appropriate testing to determine if vitamin D deficiency is the underlying cause. Thanks for watching. To watch more videos on health topics, subscribe to our channel.